To set up the alarm clock on the Motorola Moto G56, what we have to do first is go to the clock app that we can find, for example, in the app drawer. Once you are here, make sure that alarm is selected, and then you have some example alarm clocks that you can use, of course. But if you want to set up your own one, we can just press this plus button. You can choose when the alarm should go off, and then you can press OK. Here we have some additional customization options. Let's actually go back, where you can choose days of the week during which the alarm should go off. If none of the days are selected, then it will just go off tomorrow. You can tap on the switch in order to turn on or turn off the alarm clock. And as you can see, we have additional options here, so be sure to check them out. And you can tap on these arrows that we have on the right side in order to unfold these options. So if you want to, you can also edit the alarm clock at any point. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.